today's tutorial, we are going to see how to remove any watermark or any unwanted object from any part of your video with the help of some free AI tools. So it's going to be really fun, so make sure you stick to me till the end, and for now, let's begin with the tutorial. Software number 1 is onlinevideocutter.com. Here you can log in, or else directly you open the file. So select the file and open. So I will simply select this part. Okay, and then go to save. It will take a while and then save again. Here is the final result.
Pyramids were built as tombs for pharaohs and their queens. It was believed that the pharaohs were not just kings.
Second software is beat.io. So go to this remove watermark from video option and upload your video. And here you need to simply decide. So if the logo is somewhere around the corner, you can simply resize the video a little bit, and that way you can get rid of the watermark, and then go to done and export the video. And this is the final result.
Pyramids were built as tombs for pharaohs and their queens. Pyramids were built as tombs for pharaohs and their queens.
Software number 3, media.io. I will be leaving this website's link in the description. Go and sign up for free. So go to this, drag and drop the file here and just simply upload it. It will take a little while, and once it is done, then there are two modes. You can either go by selecting by this hand, click on this hand in order to shift it right or left, and then by this way you can make it little larger. Go to AI model and select the brush size. Make sure this hand is not selected, and then simply hover around the logo which you want to, or the object which you want to remove, and then simply remove the object now. And in a while your logo or object, wherever it is, will be removed. It will take a little while to download. Now the processing is done. You can go to download and download the video without watermark, and this is the final result.
Pyramids were built as tombs for pharaohs and their queens. It was believed that the pharaohs were not just kings.
Next software which I am going to use is VAGPE Online Watermark Remover. So we will be going to the link which is given in the description below, and then go for this option, remove watermark now, and choose the file. Now simply drag this and make it small, okay, and then export. Now once it is done, you can download from this download button. Here is a drawback for VAGPE. If you try to use VAGPE free version, you end up getting another logo on your video, which is VAGPE's logo, which is quite big. So I strongly do not recommend it if you're looking for a free option. I have already shown you some free export without any watermark, so use those. This is alternative for this is the final result.
Pyramids were built as tombs for pharaohs and their queens. It was believed that the pharaohs were not just kings, but also gods in human form, and their souls needed a place to rest after death.
The next software which I am going to use is called VMake Watermark Remover. You have to just upload the file. So see, I have taken the VAGPE one here, and now let us see how VMake Watermark Remover removes this watermark from here. Voila! This is the final result. Let's go to this download full HD video, and it will get downloaded. And this is the final result.
Pyramids were built as tombs for pharaohs and their queens. Pyramids were built as tombs for pharaohs and their queens.
So the next software which I recommend is Wondershare's PixCut. So you can simply go to this option and upload. So select the video and open it. Previously I have shown you this AI model. Now I am doing with standard model, and here I will give smooth filter. Go to add area option. First select the filter, then go to add area option. It can be anywhere, and then remove the object now. Once processed, go to this download option and it will get downloaded. This is the final result.
Pyramids were built as tombs for pharaohs and their queens. It was believed that the pharaohs were not just kings, but also gods in human form.
So next software is vcard.com. I will be leaving this link in the description again. So I will be selecting my video. Just bring this, drag this, make sure the complete watermark is selected and then simply go to erase. Now you can go to download and this is the final result from vcard.com.
Pyramids were built as tombs for pharaohs and their queens. It was believed that the pharaohs were not just kings, but also gods in human form.
Now we are going to the last software, which is a powersoft.com. You will have to just go to this download section and upload section and upload your video. Same way it works. The functionality is the same and you just need to drag it. Like the logo is covered and then simply go to erase. Just wait for a while. It is done and just download. And this is the final result from powersoft.com.
Pyramids were built as tombs for pharaohs and their queens. Pyramids were built as tombs for pharaohs and their queens.
Guys, I have shown you 8 different AI tools which can be used for free. So please don't forget to give me a like and share this video as many people possible. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. If you are a struggling YouTuber, make sure you watch the video which is coming up next.
3 reasons why new YouTubers fail. First is, they only focus on creating content and they never invest time in learning how to do it in the right way. Second is, they don't know how exactly the videos go viral. They don't know how to pick up the right video topic which can help them to get more views as well. Third is, they are not aware of the features that are available in YouTube which can help them to get more views, subscribers as well. If you want to scale your channel 5x faster and earn more than 50,000 rupees per month by creating videos based on your passion, skill or talent, then YouTube Masterclass is for you. Just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. Hi, I'm Sriram Benur, content creator of channel A2C, which has more than 1 million plus subscribers. And right now I have been coaching more than 2,000 plus students from across multiple countries, rated 4.9 on Trustpilot. In the 90-minute YouTube Masterclass, you're going to learn why you should consider YouTube, how exactly YouTube works, what are the skills that are needed to be a YouTuber, 3 powerful strategies which can help you to get more views, more subscribers, more video engagement, more click-through rate, and which can help you to earn more money as well. So just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. See you live.
So I being his affiliate, I have already given the link in the description for his masterclass. Please do join in his masterclass and enrich your knowledge about being an YouTuber. If you are a new visitor to my channel, please consider to click the subscription button below and press the bell notification next to it. Please do like, share my content with others so that I can thrive every single day for creating better content for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.